Hey guys, what's happening? Fredo here, back with another tutorial video. In this video, I will explain to you the basics of formulas. Formulas is one of the new major features that we introduced in ProtoPie 3.9. Yeah, let's just get started. I have two layers ready, and they have obvious names. One is blue and the other one is green. I'll start off with a drag move interaction, just like this, and I will make sure to select the green layer. So we'll have this. You can drag and move it around. This is pretty basic. I believe I've explained this before in one of the previous tutorial videos, so if you want to know more on how this works, have a look at that video. I'll continue with a tab trigger for the blue one and a move response. So this is where the fun parts comes in. You may find formulas here if you tap on this icon, and this is your formula section. Cool to have you back here with us. My name is Fredo, and welcome back at another tutorial video about ProtoPie. There you go. This is the documentation page when it comes to formulas. I'm going to take you through. Everything is here. One of our new, all the way very cool advanced syntax features that we introduced in ProtoPie 3.9. Operations, it's called variable properties. It's all here. Something that you guys have been waiting for this video. Quite some time. I will keep it pretty basic, just to give you but it is finally here. Good understanding. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what if you like to variables are, take it to how to use them, take it to the next level. How you when it comes finally to can apply them to the documentation pages. Something that I would highly recommend. So bear with me. All right. So let's get started. We can create our formulas here. So let's start by tapping on the plus icon here. So I can select a layer that I want to use. For example, the green layer appear again, and here I'd like to use the X position create a new variable. There are two types of variables. So what this means is that if I tab on the blue, what you can blue layer in programming languages, the blue layer will move to global and local variables X position value here we have of the green layer, wherever it may be. What it means is that a variable, and if I do that, you'll see how it would be accessible. So throughout the blue layer has all the scenes that you have in your X position value, and for this the green simply means that a variable is only can only be used. Open that formula section, single scene, and you can either hit the plus icon, or you can use the backtick on your keyboard. Double tap on this, and I'll select the green layer once again. Rename your variable. And this time I will go for the Y position value. Spinner. And then because like this, we are creating a simple spinner prototype. And as you can see, after tapping the blue layer, the blue layer will move to the exact same text X and Y position values of number can be any green layer numerical value. And you can of course adjust these formulas. You can tweak them. You can decimals. Use arithmetic operations. Text. You can punch in any like string value. This, for example, ProtoPie. Use ProtoPie this one in all caps. Plus 100. Both would work. There we go. For color, and you can use any color that you like as a value for your variable. Adjust this. And in this example, I'm going to stick with number 100 as well. Value 100 0. Make sure you tap here. So we have our first variable. Voila. What I would like to do in this example prototype. So you can adjust these formulas, and like I said, if you like to know is that what functions, what operations you can use here, or what kind of layer properties, that the number in the middle in the document would increase by 1. And if I tap here, and as you can see, if I drag and move around this layer, value in the middle, tap on the blue layer by 1. The blue layer, we're going to go to with our new feature, variable X and Y position values. So first, green layer, tap plus 1 trigger wherever the green layer may be. Container, the increase container contains the assets that form the plus button, and we are using just like our new response. It's called assign.